Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the very important updates coming forward related to TCS Tag Test 2026. So finally next phase interview result has been out, and I have already provided you update previous day that for some reason result was announced. Now currently for the Kolkata and Ahmedabad region and some part of Delhi NCR also getting the result. So if you are the candidate who got the result, must comment here your locations and date of your interview, so that other student will get idea that when their phase hiring or result will be announced. So congratulations, we are happy to inform that on the basis of your interest in career opportunity, subsequently we have been shortlisted for the interview. So this is one of the candidates who got the mail, and this candidate are from the Kolkata, and his reporting time is 4th of Feb, means 4th of Feb को भाई interview है. So you have very little time, so I will suggest start preparing for the interview. I will provide complete study link in the description. You can get access to it. If you want to have a mock interview, then you can also fill our form. That will be really helpful for you. Okay, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स हमसे भाई सिलेक्शन हुए रिलेटेड टू द मॉक इंटरव्यू. यू कैन से आई गेव टैग कोडिंग टेस्ट वाया ऑन 12th Jan इन अहमदाबाद. मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड में सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन हुआ था कोड बीटा में, और टैग टेस्ट में फर्स्ट में 7/7 एंड सेकेंड में 5/7. सो उनका भाई पूछे थे कि उनका मीन्स आया कि नहीं. फाइनली ही गॉट द कॉल फॉर द डिजिटल. ओके, नाउ वन ऑफ द कन्फ्यूजर दैट इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय लॉट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स रिलेटेड टू द रोल, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स का रोल क्लियर डिफाइन नहीं हुआ एंड बहुत लोग का रोल भी डिफाइन हुआ. दैट सम ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स गॉट द रोल एज निंजा और डिजिटल, बट बहुत लोगों में नहीं हुआ. सो जिनका अगर नहीं हुआ, देन योर मेन फोकस शुड टू क्रैक द इंटरव्यू. ओके, जस्ट आप क्रैक कीजिए. पहले आप कोई एक पहले आप जॉब अपने आप पास ले लीजिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन अपग्रेड दैट, बिकॉज TCS विल गिव you second chance to upgrade your role. Either you selected for Ninja or Digital, then you have chance for conversion to Prime. I will make dedicated video for that, but currently your target should get a job, either Ninja or Digital, that doesn't matter. Start preparing and take this important 4 or 5 days very carefully. You can say, dear candidates, greeting from the TCS commune. So these students got the survey form. बहुत लोगों को सर्वे फॉर्म आ रहा है, बहुत लोगों को डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू कॉल है. So if you got the survey form, you can also comment here whether you got the survey form or interview call. And जिनका भाई नहीं आया, no need to worry, wait for further communications. You will get for sure. जैसे मैंने बोला था कि एक भी क्वेश्चन आपने किया है या 5 टेस्ट केस भी किया, तो उनका भी निंजा का कॉल आ रहा है. So have a hope and start preparing, क्योंकि बहुत कम चांस आपको मिलेगा. And you can say this students participated in our mock interview and he was selected for the digital role. Okay, so बहुत लोग को डिजिटल निंजा सभी को मिल रहा है. So if you want to schedule your mock interview, schedule it. Okay, just at nominal price I am giving you, because the package you are getting, that is too good. So take it carefully, because take every opportunity as a last opportunity, then only you can crack the interview. ये भी देख रहे हैं, आपका mock interview से बहुत हेल्प हुआ था. So when was your interview? So 29th of December. So this candidate was actually from the on campus and he got the congratulation mail. And ये सब मेल मैं देखता हूँ भाई, मुझे बहुत खुशी होता है that yeah, our subscriber are getting the job offers. And this all thing I want to tell. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query हो, feel free to ask or comment here. I will be very happy to help you. Till then, bye bye, and meet you in the next video. Thank you.